Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best tree stand blind is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any serious hunter looking to maximize their chances of success in the field, offering unparalleled concealment and a comfortable vantage point from which to observe wildlife. This innovative hunting accessory is designed to blend seamlessly with its natural surroundings, effectively masking your presence from the keen eyes of deer, turkey, and other game animals, thereby increasing your opportunities for a clean shot and a memorable hunting experience. Investing in a quality tree stand blind can significantly elevate your hunting game, transforming your outings from mere excursions into highly productive and rewarding expeditions. Number 5. Big Game Striker XL Ladder Tree Stand 17.5 foot. Elevate your hunting experience with this sturdy ladder tree stand. Designed for trees at least 9 inches in diameter, it offers the perfect height to keep your target in sight. Sit comfortably for extended periods thanks to the contoured FlexTech seat and padded armrests. It's designed to support your body, allowing you to wait patiently. Constructed with durable steel, this hunting platform provides exceptional strength and safety. It can support up to 600 pounds, ensuring stability and peace of mind. Stay safe and secure with the included 4-point full-body harness. The padded shooting rail conveniently flips up, offering versatility and protection. This complete package includes an adjustable support bar and multiple stabilizer straps. All necessary components are provided to ensure you are protected and stable. What we like. This stand offers exceptional stability and comfort for extended hunts. If you prioritize a spacious and robust platform with a high weight capacity, this is an excellent choice for you. It's ideal for hunters who need extra room or carry heavier gear. What people say. Very comfortable seating and I felt safe and secured. Nice stable stand. Assembly was pretty easy. Easy to assemble, very comfortable to sit in. Number 4. Guide Gear Universal Hunting Tree Stand Blind. This hunting blind is designed to fit any climbing tree stand or tripod stand. Its lightweight design packs small, making it easy to carry to your favorite hunting spot. Setting up is a breeze with hook and loop straps for fast and simple installation. The bidirectional zipper and grip strip tab offer convenient access. Constructed with weather-resistant fabric and an exterior coating, it's built to keep you warm and dry. This is an essential piece of gear for any hunt. The interior is blacked out to conceal your movements effectively. Special fabric is also used to help mask your scent from game. Featuring a dense hunting camouflage pattern, it expertly conceals you from both small and large game animals, enhancing your hunting experience. What we like. This blind provides versatile concealment that adapts to your existing setup. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add weather protection and camouflage to any tree stand, this is the perfect solution. It's great for hunters who move between different stands or need a portable blind. What people say. The seat is absolutely quiet and really spins 360 degrees for a shot in any direction, which is great without missing shots from traditional stands that you have to keep turning to see game. It is well constructed so you feel safe using it. It holds up pretty well. Give plenty of concealment and keeps the wind off of you as well. Number 3. Mighty Huntsman Deluxe 17-foot Ladder Tree Stand. Introducing the Huntsman Deluxe, your ultimate hunting companion. Sit comfortably and securely 17 feet above your prey, designed for extended comfort and a superior vantage point. Crafted with a heavy-duty steel frame, this stand is built for durability and longevity. It's perfect for any rugged outdoor environment you venture into. Stay hidden and undetected with its tall profile and compact platform. This design enhances your hunting experience by keeping you out of sight. Enjoy maximum comfort and security with its adjustable shooting rail and flip-back seat. It also includes a full-body fall arrest system for your safety. This stand supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring it can handle both you and your gear. Its spacious seat and footrest provide ample room for long hunting sessions. What we like. Experience superior comfort and stealth on your next hunt with this deluxe ladder stand. If you often hunt for long durations and require excellent back support in a quiet hunting environment, this stand is designed for you. It's perfect for serious hunters who value comfort and concealment. What people say. The blind is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for hunting trips. The camouflage pattern on the blind blends in well with the surroundings, providing excellent concealment. The blind is made of durable material that can withstand harsh weather conditions. Number 2. Muddy Secure Climbing System. Introducing the Muddy Secure Climbing System, designed for a safer and easier ascent. Its dual steps on both sides minimize unnecessary maneuvering, allowing you to climb with confidence. Experience unparalleled stability with our wide square steps. They provide a comfortable and secure platform for your feet, ensuring a confident climb every time. Built with robust, all-steel construction, this system offers exceptional durability. It's designed to securely support up to 300 pounds, giving you peace of mind. The durable powder coat finish enhances longevity and weather resistance. Enjoy a quiet setup thanks to the plastic step end caps and nylon washers. Setting up is a breeze with its fully assembled design. Simply fasten it to a tree with a single cam buckle strap for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This climbing system ensures a secure and straightforward ascent to your hunting spot. If you value safety and ease of use when setting up your tree stand, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for hunters who want a reliable and simple climbing solution. What people say. Easy to set up, believe it or not, using my climbing tree stand. I had no issue putting this together, carry it to the tree and putting it in a tree all by myself. High quality sticks. Lightweight and the coating prevents metal sounds. Easy to install, the straps seem strong. Recommend. Number 1. Hawk 1.5 Man Ladder Blind Kit. Experience the ultimate in hunting concealment and comfort. This accessory is meticulously crafted to elevate your hunting experience, keeping you hidden from game eyes. Built for the elements, this blind is made with durable, weatherproof fabric. It ensures longevity and resistance against ripping, ideal for harsh outdoor conditions. Designed with renowned camouflage fabric, it seamlessly blends with the natural environment. Stay hidden from wary game with its superior concealment properties. Engineered for compatibility, it's specifically designed to fit select 1.5-person ladder stands. This ensures a perfect fit and hassle-free installation for enhanced convenience. Enjoy ultimate features for a seamless hunt. Effortless entry and exit are provided with a centered zipper, allowing smooth and discreet movement. What we like. Achieve unparalleled concealment and protection from the elements with this specialized blind kit. If you hunt from a 1.5-person ladder stand and need a perfectly fitted, durable, and weather-resistant cover, this accessory is a must-have. It's designed for hunters who want to maximize their camouflage and comfort in harsh conditions. What people say. Product fit perfectly, easy to install and worked well. Fit my Denali perfectly, attached to gun rail, pull rail up, totally hidden, deadly. Nice quality, heavy fabric with water-resistant coating on the inside. Sleeve top to slip over your shooting rail, with ties on the bottom to secure your stand. Zip front for crawl-through access. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.